Now we'll be covering geological structure of Jharkhand. Now the geological structure in the chronological sequence will be Archean rocks, Vindhyan rocks, rocks of Gondwana order, Cenozoic sequence, Rajmahal trap, and latest alluvial. Now Archean rocks can be divided into Archean order and the Dharwar order. Dharwar order has abundance in iron ore, whereas Archean order has abundance in granite, schist, and gneiss. Vindhyan rocks will find abundance of sand and limestone. Rocks of Gondwana order will have abundance of coal. Cenozoic sequence will witness the rise of Himalayas and the first and second earth, all these rise. Now Rajmahal trap will find laterite and bauxite deposits, and in the latest alluvial will have monadnocks. Now the first one, that is Archean rocks, it is spread over 90% of Jharkhand's land, hence it is the most prominent one. Because of the abundance of natural resources, these are the most important rocks of Jharkhand from the economic point of view. All the three, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, are found in Archean rocks, and the Chotanagpur Plateau is related to the rocks of this period. Now the expansion of these rocks are in Singhbhum, Saraikela, Simdega, southeastern Jharkhand. These rocks can be classified into Archean order and Dharwar order. According to Jharkhand Economic Survey of 2019-20, 85% of the state's land area is covered by igneous and metamorphic rocks. Now Archean order, these are granite rocks formed from deposit of hot and liquid lava, which are always fossil free, not mostly. Now after metamorphosis, these rocks have been converted into schist and gneiss. Now granite has been converted into schist and gneiss. Moving on, Dharwar order. These rocks have been developed as a result of erosion and deposition of rocks of Archean order. The first information about these rocks were found in Dharwar district of Karnataka, due to which they have been named as rocks of Dharwar order. These rocks are also free from fossils. Since in Jharkhand it spreads mainly in the Kolhan region, it is also called Kolhan order rocks. So Dharwar is also called Kolhan order rocks. Moving on, because the abundance of iron ore in these rocks, they are also called iron ore series. These rocks are known as deposits of metallic minerals. In Jharkhand, these rocks can be seen in East Singhbhum, West Singhbhum, Saraikela Khasarwan districts. There is availability of metallic minerals in these rocks, in which iron, copper, bauxite, nickel, gold, manganese, silver are prominent. Now moving on to the Vindhyan rocks. Vindhyan rocks are found in the northwestern part, that is Son river area, especially Garhwa region of Jharkhand. Now these rocks are basically the south part of Rohtas Plateau. These rocks were formed from the deposition of sediments. These are horizontally layered rocks consisting of sandstone and limestone. The rise of Parasnath Hills takes place also during this period. So Parasnath Hill traces its origin from the Vindhyan rocks. Now moving on to the rocks of Gondwana order. These rocks were formed from the sediments of Damodar Valley. Along with the abundance of coal deposits, sandstone layers are also found in these rocks. Major coal deposits of Jharkhand have been formed from this rock. These rocks are very important from the economic point of view. The expansion of these rocks are in Giridih, Rajmahal Hills and valley of North Koel River. Now Cenozoic sequence. The Chotanagpur Plateau region was also affected during the rise of Himalayas in this period. The rise of Himalayas and its effect can be classified into three parts, the details of which are as follows. First is the first rise, which is also the Miocene period. During this, part region was uplifted as a result of geological tumultuousness in Chotanagpur Plateau region. As a result of this uplift, the part region rose above 1000 feet above the Ranchi Hazaribagh Plateau. Now second rise, this uplift is due to the Pliocene period. During this period, geological tumultuousness also took place in Chotanagpur Plateau region. During this period, Ranchi Hazaribagh Plateau was lifted by about 1000 feet and the part area was raised by about 2000 feet. Now, third rise, this uplift is related to the Pleistocene period. During this period, geological tumultuousness again took place in Chota Nagpur Plateau region. During this, Ranchi Hazaribagh Plateau was lifted by about 2000 feet, and part region was lifted by about 3000 to 3600 feet. So 1000 meter. Yes. These figures, I'm not really sure about these figures. Nevertheless, we'll continue. All the above three uplifts resulted in the emergence of various rivers in the area. Over a period of time, erosion was done by these rivers, which resulted in a decrease of the height of this area. After the erosions, the present height of this areas are as follows. Okay, so previous figures are true. Now the part area is between 900 to 1100 meters. Ranchi Plateau is approximately 600 meters, but it is saying less than 600 meter. Now lower Chota Nagpur Plateau is more than 300 meters. Moving on, Rajmahal Trap and Deccan lava rocks. The Rajmahal Trap was formed by the lava in the Jurassic period, while the Deccan lava form was formed by flowing lava in cracks. As a result of weathering these rocks, laterite and bauxites were formed. Now, the original extension of Rajmahal Trap is in the northeastern part of Jharkhand, that is Sahibganj and eastern part of Pakur. Apart from this, it also extends in the part region of Jharkhand, that is Palamu, Gadwa and Gumla and Lohardaga region. So this region will also have the Rajmahal traps and Deccan lava rocks. Now, the height ranges from 900 to 1100 meters. Moving on, latest alluvial deposits. So it was formed as a result of erosion of rivers and alluvial deposit, and it continues even today. The structure has been formed by deposition of river alluvium in the eastern areas of Rajmahal Son River and lower basin of Subarnarekha River. As a result of the deposition in the plains, at many places, high terrains of granite have been formed, which are called monadnocks. Now, this would be the map, geological structure of Jharkhand's map. Now, these are the latest alluvial because of the influence of Ganga River. And now we'll have, this is the latest alluvial of the Swarnrekha River. And then we'll have the Archean rock, that is Nis and Dharwar system. Also, we'll have the Gondwana phase, which are located in these regions, and these will have the depositions of coal. Now we'll have the Rajmahal Trap, that is this region, and the Vindhyan region will be considered right over here. So most of it is covered by Archean. Then Vindhya is covered in a very small segment of Palamu district. Then we have Gondwana, which is covered in the coal-bearing areas of Jharkhand. And then we'll have the Rajmahal Trap, which is in the Rajmahal Hill area. And then we have the latest alluvial, which are found in two different segments. One is Swarnrekha segment and the second one is the Ganga segment. That'll be all for this video.